Hey everyone, I am Eros M. Caliboso, and today I will going to discuss about peer documentation and reflection on event-driven programming projects for our midterm examination. So, ako ang choose sa day one is si Jasmine Timbal. So, iyang system is all about clinic management system. Then the overview, project overview, a clinic management system is a software solution that helps clinic efficiently manage patient records, appointments, billing, and daily operation in one platform. It streamlines workflows, reduces errors, and enhances the overall patient experience. So the first module na iyang gi-present is ang add appointment or create appointment. So diri na ay sidebar nga add appointment, add payment, view records, then log out. Then nag-use siya ani og ang components sa AWT, which are the frame, panel, label, button, text field, choice, checkbox, list. Then sa iyang functionality, nag-use siya og action listener for button clicks, item listener for checkbox changes, then key listener for numeric input validation. Then mo ni ang screenshot during presentation. Then pag i-click tong nga button, save appointment, so mo pop up din nga dialogue which is appointment save for Mary, which is Mary is a patient name. Then second module is adding a payment. So maka-input ang user og payment ID and amount. Then pag i-click ni nga record payment, mo diretso dayon ni siya nga mo pop up din ni siya nga dialogue which is the payment recorded. So 915, so the amount, then okay button. Then third one is the appointments and payments. So ma-record dayon diri mabutang dayon siya diri So mo na siya for clinic management system. Then kani is sa second day, so I choose Almer Belenson. So iyang system is all about utility billing management. So this project is a AWT-based utility billing system featuring an admin dashboard that allows navigation to system settings for configuring system name, currency, billing cycle fees and notification, and security settings for managing 2FA and password changes, showcasing event-driven programming, GUI design, and modular window navigation. So naa siya module nga tulo ka buok, which are the admin dashboard, system settings, security settings. So first is admin dashboard. So diri naa siya sidebar, and mo ni iyang components iyang sidebar, then navigation na or like headers like utility billing system, then ay stats card, then ang mogana ra diri sa iyang sidebar is security and system settings. Then mo ni ang presentation, during presentation is screenshot. Then the second iyang second na module is system settings. So maka-input ang user og system name, currency, billing cycle, late payment, then grace period, then enable notification, then save settings na button, back to dashboard na button. Then nag-use siya ani nga mga components, then event functions use. So mo na iyang gipang use, no. Then during presentation screenshot, then security settings, components use, nag-use siya ani, then for kaning module mo na iyang gi-use. So naay event function use. So mo na event action listener, item listener, key listener. Then mo ni ang screenshot for during presentation. Then ang ikatulo is kay Mike Quijano. So iyang system is Shanvog fashion sales and management system. So the fashion store system is a Java AWT based application that provides a simple shopping dashboard where user can view products but buy items or rent them. The buy now form lets customers input details, choose payments methods, and calculate total cost, while the rent form allows them to set rental duration, quantity, and contact details with automatic fee computation. Overall, it demonstrates how AWT components and event handling can create an interactive and user-friendly mini e-commerce system. Then, iyang first nga page or module is all about dashboard. So, ang mo ni iyang dashboard no, iyang first module. Then mo ni iyang gipang use nga mga components then sa event functions. So sa components naa jud dira ang frame, panel, label, button, text area. Then ang iyang function is action listener, window listener. Then mo ni ang during presentation nga screenshot. So, the logout button, pag i-click ang logout button pag i-click ang logout button mo, pop up dayon ang dialog. So, yes or no nga button. So, mo ni ang presentation nga screenshot. Then, buy now module. Pag i-click ning buy now na button, so mo diretso dayon siya ani nga module. So, naay contact, address, email, payment. So maka-select siya diri So quantity then total. So naay button na cancel and confirm. So mo ni ang screenshot. Then mo ni ang mugawas pag i-click tong confirm nga button. So mugawas din ang confirm purchase, elegant dress. So mao na siya ang gi-purchase sa customer no. So na yes or no nga button, then mo ni ang screenshot no. So muna dayon mo gawas na purchase confirm then thank you. Then ay okay nga button.
So the last module is all about rent module. So the rent form guides the user through renting a product by entering contact details, address, rental duration, and quantity. While the total cost is automatically calculated, the user can either cancel to close the form or confirm to proceed. Or on confirmation, the system validates the inputs, shows a summary in a yes or no dialog, and if accepted, displays a success message and closes the form. So, kani nga module nag-use siya og components of AWT like labels, text fields for contact address, days, quantity, and total. So, then text area for notes, confirm dialog, then buttons for cancel, confirm yes or no, then okay, then dialog, message plus confirm, then panel for yes or no buttons. Then for functionality, so event function, so action listener button for button clicks, then text listener for auto update total, days, and quantity, then window adapter for closing the window. Then next is kaning during presentation nga screenshot. So mo ni siya ang proof nga gikan jud ni siya sa Gmeet no ako ang gi-screenshot. Then pag i-click ang confirm na button, mo pop up din yung dialog na rent request submitted. Then I thank you. Then I button na okay. Then i-click na rin na ang button na okay. Then mo exit na rin siya. So that's all. Mura to siya ang last na module sa katong system. So mo to kung gipili na 3 projects presentation sa akong classmates. So thank you, and thank you for watching this video.